Question 7. Select all the correct answers. Consider this polynomial. P of x equals 3x to the third plus 11x squared minus 4x minus 6. Which of the following statements are true? And obviously, this is a select all that apply. So let's go one by one. First choice says the quotient of P of x and x plus 2 is this. The key here is the remainder is 6. So we're dividing by x plus 2, which means synthetic division would be an easy way to go here. So synthetic division, we're going to take the coefficients from this polynomial and lay them out. So that's 3, 11, negative 4, negative 6. We're dividing by x plus 2. So that means negative 2 goes off in the box here. And then we're going to add and multiply. So we're going to take 3 and we're going to add it to the number below the 3, which is nothing. So 3 plus nothing is 3. And then we're going to multiply it by the negative 2. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. And that's going to go underneath the 11. We're going to add those together and we get 5. We're going to multiply negative 2 times 5, and that gives us negative 10. That goes underneath the negative 4. Add those together. Multiply negative 2 and negative 14. That gives us positive 28. Negative 6 plus 28 is 22. So we see a remainder of 22. Specifically, the answer is 3x squared plus 5x minus 14 plus a remainder of 22 over x plus 2. So that is obviously not this answer choice, but I see it right here. Make sure all those coefficients match up. Yeah, that looks good. So we have this third answer choice. It also means x plus 2 is a factor of that polynomial. No, hold on a second. It doesn't mean. So it doesn't divide evenly. For it to be a factor, that means it divides evenly into that polynomial, and it doesn't divide evenly because we're left with the remainder. It's my fault. So we're going to mark this one out. It is not an answer choice. And then finally, we know the answer when we substitute negative 2 for p, we should equal the remainder in this problem, which is 22 and not positive 6. So those two are the answer choices for this problem.